Hi guys, welcome to this Microsoft Access module. In this module we are going to look at how to create calculated fields. We're also going to look at how to create conditional formatting on those fields. So first of all, here is a form which is looking at this table, and in this table we have some figures. So these are the figures that we are going to do the calculations on. If I close that down. Now I'm already in form design and I need to get myself an AB box. Just put it over there. And first of all, a very simple calculation. Type in there equals salary, which has to be in square brackets, times 1.1. That's all I want to do for now. Click away from that, have a look, and you can see it's worked that out. 33,000. If I go back into design, I would need to format that to currency. There's currency. Make this a bit wider. There's currency. Now if I have a look again, that's now saying £33,000. Back into design. Now to use conditional formatting on this box, I need to select format and then conditional formatting. The conditional formatting rules manager appears. New rule. This first one, I will say if it's greater than 30,000, show green. Okay to that one. Then a new rule. If it's greater than 25,000, show amber, or whatever that colour is. Okay. And then last but not least, if it is less than or equal to 25,000, show red. So these figures don't really mean anything in this example, but the process is what we're looking at. Though there are three rules: green, amber, red. Click OK and then have a look. Flags up green. If I go through the records, red, green, and there you go. Back to the beginning. So that's the first one. Now second calculation is going to be an immediate if, IIF. So again, an AB button. I need to make this slightly longer so I can type. I could zoom in, but I'm not going to. So equals IIF, open bracket, and then select the field. So if salary, in fact, let's just do it slightly different. Let's name this box and refer to this box. So if I click on this box, I can, if I go to all, give this box a name. So I will call that amount. So this is now called amount, and then I can go back into this box and type equals IIF, square bracket, amount. If amount, close square bracket, is greater than 30,000, comma, so that's the test. So an if statement as a test. If the test is true, higher rate of tax. Now the sentence that I want to display has to go inside quotes. So if it's true, it's going to say higher rate of tax. If it's false, so there's a comma, it's going to say normal rate of tax. Close the quotes, close the bracket, click away, just check that's okay. A good indicator that it is okay is that Access hasn't come up with an error message. If I have a look at that, higher rate of tax, normal rate of tax, higher rate of tax. And then if I go back into design on this one, and then select this, back up to format, conditional formatting, new rule. So this time, if it equals higher rate of tax, and that needs to be exact, format green. Okay, new rule equals to normal rate of tax. That will be amber. Okay to that. Okay to the rules. Go to home, have a look. So they're both green. One's red, one's amber. So that's a very quick look at how to do simple calculations at form level. In a future module, we'll look at some more calculations and calculations at report level. But for now, that's the end of this session. Thank you for your time.